Hello everyone, my name is Sikwa. Today I'm talking about my story. Don't hiccups. Don't enter a competition. She will sing on television. Hic, hic, hic. Don't is nervous. Oh no, I can't sing. I have hiccups. Don't mother give her a scare. Surprise. Hic, hic. Don't still has hiccups. Put your fingers in your ears. Hic. But don't still has hiccups. Suck on a slice of lemon. Hic. But don't still has hiccups. The nurse give Don a glass of water. Drink it upside down. Don hiccups go. She is happy. She comb her hair. The music plays. She sings her song. It's beautiful. The crowd shout and cheers. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Bye bye. Bài này tốt xong mấy bài khác rồi ạ?
Cũng được.
Nó tên là New